The Civic Type R doesn't whisper, it roars, and for years it's been the go-to for gearheads who want legit track capability without selling a kidney. But now the 2026 model rolls in, sleeker, sharper, and with just enough restraint to make you wonder if Honda's changing its tune. Can you still rip apexes on a weekend and take grandma to brunch on Monday? Or has Honda softened the edges too much this time? What looks like just a refined update might actually be the most balanced Type R we've seen. This thing isn't just about lap times anymore. It's evolving into something more usable, more mature, even practical. Let's break it down. The 2026 Civic Type R still rocks the turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, pushing 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. No hybrid trickery yet, no all-wheel drive, and yes, thankfully, a 6-speed manual gearbox lives on. Honda knows not to mess with a good thing. But the updates? They're subtle and smart. Revised suspension tuning gives it more stability without killing feedback. Steering feels tighter, more planted. And the ride, still firm, but more livable over nasty roads. It no longer punishes you just for choosing performance. Inside, things feel cleaner and more grown up. Alcantara and red accents? Still there. But the layout is less boy racer, more premium sport. You're looking at a 10.2-inch digital cluster and an updated 9-inch touchscreen with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto standard. The seats still hug you like your favorite hoodie, and now they're heated. Sound insulation's improved too, which is rare for a car in this segment. Honda's basically saying, you can use this every day. We promise it won't break your spine or your ears. And the exterior? It's aggressive, sure, but not cartoonish. Functional aero, a tasteful spoiler, and wider fenders hint at its track cred without screaming about it. You know it's serious when you see it, but it's not trying too hard. The best part? Pricing is expected to start around $45,500, making it one of the few performance cars that still feels like a bargain. Not cheap, but still a great value for what you're getting. So is this a track monster? Yes. Is it a legit daily driver? Also yes. Honda's carved out a niche where the Type R delivers edge-of-your-seat fun without sacrificing real-world comfort. It's not soft, it's just smarter. So what do you think? Has Honda finally nailed the perfect balance between speed and sanity? Or would you rather see them go full send with a wilder version? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this breakdown helped, and don't forget to subscribe and like right here on CarSpot. Thanks for watching.